Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going over some math activities, and they can be used for kindergartners, first graders. They're mostly addition activities, but there is some skip counting, which is a precursor to multiplication. And most of the activities can actually be suited towards younger children who are learning their numbers as well, or suited towards subtraction. Okay, let's see. For this activity, I have 2 pillowcases with different manipulatives in them. And what my child is going to do is pick from each pillowcase a handful of the manipulatives and put them on one side of the plus sign. And then they're going to simply add. So as you can see, I have 8 blocks and 4 men. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So then my child would take 12 blocks from my pile on the corner and place them after the equal sign to create the equation 8 plus 4 equals 12 with the manipulatives. So this activity is a board game called Chutes and Ladders. As you can see, it's numbered 1 all the way up to 100. And the goal of the game is to make it to the 100 first. So each player would spin the dial and then place your person that many numbers. If you land on a ladder, you move up the ladder. And if you land on a chute or a slide, you have to go down the slide. And the first person to make it to the top 100 wins. This board game is good for number recognition and counting skills. For this activity, as you can see, I have written numbers on the bottom of an egg carton, and my child is going to have 2 bottle caps, and he's going to toss each bottle cap into the egg carton, and that's how he's going to make his equation. So if he tosses 1 bottle cap on a 3 and 1 on a 1, then his equation would be 3 plus 1, and he is going to then use the bottle caps and get out that many. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So he's going to take out 4 bottle caps. For this activity, I have written 3 math problems on 7 different sheets of paper, and I'm going to hide these papers all around my house, and my children are going to have to run through and find the pieces of paper, and once they do, they have to solve the math equations on the paper. For this activity, I have written 6 different math equations on a piece of paper, and I have a bowl of Skittles. We're going to be using this dice and rolling the dice. For my older child who can add, he's going to roll the dice, and whatever number he lands on, that is the math problem he's going to have to do. And then when he solves the math problem, whatever the answer to the equation is, that's how many Skittles he gets to take out. So if the math equation was 2 plus 2, the answer would be 4, and he'd get to take that many Skittles. For my younger children, they're going to roll the dice, and whatever number they land on, that's how many Skittles they're going to get to take out. At the end of the activity, they're going to get to eat all their Skittles. This activity is a skip count activity using magnetic numbers, and simply the child just raises the numbers in order of the skip count. So if you're skip counting by 3, it's 3, 6, 9, 12. Skip counting is important because it's a precursor to multiplication. For this activity, I have taped shapes onto the floor with duct tape and put numbers underneath them. My older child will get a math equation and then have to jump to the answer of the equation, and my younger children will just jump to the number I say. Okay, so I hope that gave you some good ideas for different activities you can do with your children. Thanks for watching. Bye.